I have come up with a genius way of using these TSO Narrow Stock Pro rip guides without spending any more money. It is a genius idea. I don't have anything to do with it. It was the Smart Fam. It was Matt at Three Peaks Construction. He sent me a short email with a beautiful photo of a solution he came up with to a problem that I brought up when I did my deep dive introduction and review of these. And I'll put that video up here at the end of this one. I pointed out how great these were and how they completely eliminated my need for a table saw of any size for doing from narrow rips to wide rips. The track saw and the parallel guides already owned the ripping for 8-12 inches and wider. I'm all the way down to the real narrow rips. It is just superior to this table saw or any table saw. I don't care how big or how nice. This is the most productive, accurate, cleanest way to get rips, particularly in breaking down plywood. You cannot push a piece of plywood through any size table saw and compete with the accuracy and the quality of the cut. The problem, though, that TSO could resolve was one about the scale. Because it starts at 200 millimeters or so, I have to factor that in and do a little math. They could come up with a specialty set of rails that started at 0 rather than 200 just for the Narrow Stock Pro and make this a dedicated kit. Costs a bit more money, but for a production shop, we want these dialed and set up and ready to use. We don't like having our equipment go from one operation to another that takes conversion because you introduce the possibility of error. If you buy a cabinet grade piece of walnut plywood and you miscut it, that plywood cost you more than this kit right here. So as a production shop, furniture shop, cabinet shop, we like our tools like this dedicated. The second issue was, hold on just a minute. This set of narrow stock guides, these are also the pros. They are standalone and they came out slightly before these, and I was actually using a set of these to give them feedback before they released them. So I really had a lot of experience with these, and these really were the start of making this whole system more efficient for the narrow rip. Right after these were released, they released the new parallel guide Gen 2s. Everything redone. The drop lock connector, the stop, the rail, all brand new. I realized combining these two, I contacted TSO to tell them about my idea, and they said, way ahead of you, Ron. We have some coming, already doing that. We'll get you a set for you to check out. As you can see, this is the same rail, just shorter, the same drop lock. They kind of combined like a piece of this stop to this and then put this rail in. I was thoroughly impressed because I could just, once calibrated one time, I could dial in the exact width of the narrow rip. This had the foot on it for keeping the rail from tipping down. The issue with narrow stock ripping, the rail is way off the material. If I'm cutting 50 millimeters, the material is like right in here. The rail, especially with the saw, it's going to tip down. In the past was to put a piece of material underneath this. Inefficient, works, but not for production. These feet eliminated that because once these were attached, turn this knob, drop this foot down to touch your bench or the surface that your material is sitting on. Lock it in, and now the rail is held up. On this set, they did not include that foot. They do, however, have the standalone ones that go right in the track, so it allowed me to take care of that. This was the most efficient. So I let you, the fam, know, and TSO know about those two changes. The rail hasn't changed. I'm still dealing with starting at 200, and I'm still bugging them about that. And they haven't changed this yet either. So here's what Matt sent me, and I scratch my head and go, why didn't I see that? So here we are. I've got my attachment, dial in 50 millimeters, so 250. These are so precise with that white and blue and the angle on that. There's just no parallax error at all. So I push that up against there, but you can see this is tipped up. I have these feet and I put them in the middle, somewhere in here, maybe one in the middle. What Matt did, rather than have these flying around independent on here, put on the other side of the rail. That's it. Ready to rip, 50 millimeter piece after 50 millimeter piece after 50 millimeter piece. Absolutely accurate, perfect, straight cut, ergonomic, easy on the body. And it's all done with the equipment that I already have. And it works so smoothly because these are locked in independently. So if I decide to go from 50 to 75 or whatever my rip is, I don't have to even move this. It's independent. I can move this completely in and out without that interfering. It works so flawless and so smooth. It's almost like TSO designed it to be used that way. It took one of the smart fam, Matt, to figure it out. If you're primarily a plywood shop or work with big material the way that I do, and you don't already have a set of TSO NarrowStock Pros, then treat yourself. This is a great time because it's the President's Day sale going from today through the 16th, where you can save a bit of coin. I will put my affiliate link to TSO in the description down below. If you use it, they will share a little bit with us. Even if you don't use a track saw or have these parallel guides, give Matt a round of applause, a thumbs up, a thank you for seeing this, because it's that kind of mindset that takes us all further, whether it's with a track saw, a drill, a miter saw that you use. It's that kind of ingenious thinking that makes us better and better and better. It really helps us all. So let's encourage each other. And again, right now I want to encourage Matt and thank him. And in fact, look at that photo and study it a little bit. There's a lot of beautiful workmanship. Just look at his bench. I'm envious of that. I actually emailed Matt back to thank him for this, but I also asked him where his shop was and would he be willing to let me come and visit so that I could film it, talk to him, and share it with you. So again, in the comments down below, appeal to Matt and say, hey, we'd like to see your shop. Invite Ron to come and film it so that we can see the whole thing. And don't forget, if you want to get a detailed set of plans that you can download immediately to build yourself a smart bench, a smart station, any of the smart accessories, or the smart wood shop itself, there's a link in the description of the video down below. Mahalo.